Hi, in front of me I have Cubot X19 and I'm gonna show you how to update the apps on the device. First, let's open the Play Store by tapping this icon right here. Of course, you need to be logged in into a Google account on your phone to use the Play Store. But in the Play Store, let's tap on this icon right here to open the menu and tap on My Apps and Games. And here we have list of updates pending. As you can see, we have 19 updates, and we can tap on Update button next to one application to update this application. For example, let's update Maps. And after the update is done installing, the app will disappear from this list, and as you can see, we have only 18 pending updates now. You can do it for every app on this list. Basically tap Update button next to it, or you can tap on Update All right here to queue all of the apps for update. But I'm not gonna do that because it's gonna take a while. And that's how you update the apps on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.